I am here to tell you guys today that I hate resisting without violence charges. It is the stupidest charge under Florida law. So, again, I say that in jest, but I really hate resisting without violence charges, especially when there aren't any other charges charged along with them. So, resisting without violence says that they are accusing the person who's been charged with resisting an officer in their execution of a legal duty. The reason that I hate it so much is if they've dropped all of the other charges, if you were being stopped for a trespass, but you weren't actually charged with a trespass, what that tells me is that they probably didn't have a very strong trespassing case, even enough to bring charges against you, which is a very, very low burden. So what they instead did was charge you with resisting the officer being in the execution of a legal duty. So we used to call it resisting arrest, but the officer doesn't even have to be arresting the person. What does that mean? What does that mean for you as a person who does not have the luxury to just break the law? It means that when an officer gives you instructions, whether you like them or not, if it is safe to follow the instructions, you should. Because what can then happen is you can go home free when they find out that you didn't, in fact, trespass, when they find out you weren't, in fact, in possession of marijuana illegally, whatever it was that they were originally stopping you for. Or if they were illegally stopping you and perhaps there was something on your person that was illegal, or you were in a set of circumstances that would be compromising. If they have illegally stopped you, then you can then challenge that stop in a court of law. But if you resist, you're still going to have that resisting charge. So what I'm saying is resisting charges are stupid a lot of times, but you do have to listen to law enforcement. If you have a case where you've only been charged with resisting and all of your other charges have been dropped, you may have a very strong trial case, or it may be something that you need to see if there's more evidence to support your side of the story if you didn't, in fact, resist the officer. Unfortunately, in our county, very few law enforcement agencies have cameras, and so those charges become he said, she said cases, which can be good cases to put in front of a jury. So if you have that one resisting charge, I'm sorry that that happened to you. If you're interested in talking to us about it, you can feel free to reach out to us. Our website is joneslawjustice.com. Our phone number is 863-455-4811. Thank you.